Hey guys, I'm about to show you the best knot to keep your bait on the hook all day long without putting the bait on the hook itself. It's called the egg loop knot. It's mostly used for salmon fishing, but can be used for any type of fishing. As long as you're using bait or any kind of scent, you can pop the loop open, put the bait or scent inside the loop, scent you down, and you're good to go all day long. This is also going to be one of the most powerful knots that you could tie for any type of fishing. As long as your hook shank is long enough, you can do this knot. So without further ado, let's jump into it. I'm going to pop you over to my desk here, and we're going to get down on this knot tutorial. Okay, so let's get into it. Starting off with the hooks. These are Bomac, cheap little box here. 30 pieces, octopus hooks. They are 2-aught. Some people like to run 1-aught hooks. I go for 2-aught for now. They've been working pretty awesome. Trilene Big Game mono. I'm using the 10-pound for my leader lines. We're going to be building a bunch of leaders just to get them ready for the rivers. That way we don't have to retie on the water. Keep things simple, fast, and efficient. So that's the line we're going to be using. It's the green. It shows up pretty clear underwater and in most situations. So fish don't really mind the color. I've been using it for a few years. It's been doing awesome. You could use your preferred color and everything, but that works. And just some simple snips. Leader length you want to run is going to be up to you. Most people go by the rod length or just simple preference on how the water is, the current speed. I typically go between 6 and 8 foot leaders, up or down depending on my mood or water conditions. I think I'm running about a 9 foot leader on this one, maybe a little bit more. And we're going to go straight through the hook towards the back of the hook. We're going to go ahead and grab that line that we passed through, straight through, just once. And then start to rotate the other end around the eye, up the shank of that hook, 6 to 10 times. We're gonna have some loops on there. I like to go ahead and just tighten them up, push them all forward towards the eye of that hook. So it's nice and tight, ready to go. A couple more times. Tighten those loops up. Back through the front of the hook and we're going the opposite direction in which we started. And I'm going to grab these 2 lines on the back, keeping this one tight on the bottom, and then I'll continue to go 7 more times. adventures I can get into or another tutorial maybe, let me know. Also, if you want, go ahead and subscribe. It's going to keep you in the loop on all the new stuff that I have coming out. So have a good one and adventure on.